Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Teams with Make.com so you can automate workflows and save time. First, log into your Make.com account and create a new scenario. Click Add Module and search for Microsoft Teams. Choose the action you want like send a message, create a channel, or get messages. Next, click Add Connection and sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Allow Make.com to access your team's data for automation. Once connected, map the fields you want to automate. For example, send a message in Teams whenever a new item is created in another app, or trigger a task update. Test the scenario to make sure everything works as expected. Once tested, set your scenario to active so it runs automatically in the background. Now, your Microsoft Teams workflows are fully automated with Make.com. And that's how to connect Microsoft Teams with Make.com in 2025. If this helped you automate your workflows, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.